A peek at the stalwart hybrid's new front end hints at big changes. It's been announced that there's a new Toyota Prius coming, and the next generation hybrid will make its big debut on November 16, likely as part of the 2022 Los Angeles Auto Show festivities. Usually, the impending debut of a new Prius might elicit crickets. In the hybrid's more than 2 decades on sale in America, it has become a sort of punching bag, pigeonholed as a dorky but efficient runabout for people who care far more about the environment or value than driving something interesting. But just look at the teaser image of the next Prius furnished by Toyota, and that may all soon change. The generally pointy appearance of the front end marks a departure from today's simultaneously dumpy and lumpy Prius, and its plug-in hybrid sibling, the Prius Prime, and seems to work better with the aggressively windswept profile, which we spotted in Toyota's YouTube livestream video for the reveal. The video link is live, though obviously running a placeholder image until November 16, when the actual debut occurs. It's certainly not boring looking, and dare we say, it almost looks interesting? And not weird. So far, we don't know anything more about the new Prius other than, and we're guessing here, based on the current Prius's 2022 model year, that it'll be a 2023 model. We expect it will likely improve on the current Prius's fuel economy, though, which currently tops out at 56 miles per gallon combined. Look for more information when the Prius debuts next week, and stay tuned to this space for all the details, which we'll share as soon as we have.
Please support me by subscribing and liking.